Hello and welcome. My name is Karen Henry. I'm the National Public Relations Director for Afana Pouliot, and I'm pleased to share with you a little bit today about who we are, what we do, and how we can help you. Afana Pouliot is the Western Division of Pouliot Laboratories located in Quebec City, Quebec, Canada. Being a Canadian company, our sole mission is to provide quality, custom-made orthopedic footwear for patients from coast to coast. With a state-of-the-art laboratory, highly skilled craftsmen, 3 orthotists on staff, and a master craftsman, we've been able to do just that. We are super proud of what we do, knowing that we can improve people's lives and mobility with aesthetically pleasing and great fitting orthopedic footwear, custom made to their specific needs. If you're a professional and would like to know more about how to partner with us, tune in to the next video. And thanks for watching.